Assalamu alaikum, my dear students, viewers and spectators. Welcome to Professor Ghulam Hussain Bhatti Chemistry channel. The topic of today's discussion is stoichiometry. First year chemistry, chapter number 1. Dear students, it is the branch of chemistry in which we study the quantitative relationship between reactants and products in a balanced chemical equation. In which we study the quantitative relationship between reactants and products according to balanced chemical equation. I will explain it with the help of example. Now, what are stoichiometric calculations? Now, we have when hydrogen is reacted with oxygen, then water will be produced. Dear students, now in the case of molecules, you may see that there are two molecules of hydrogen and one molecule of oxygen. Then what will happen? Two molecules of water will be produced, and this is according to balanced chemical equation. Now if we see what happens in the case of mass, in this case 2 को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करें 4 AMU हाइड्रोजन जो है ये प्रोड्यूस होगी, एंड सिमिलरली ऑक्सीजन, one oxygen atom contains atomic mass 16 and 2 oxygen atom will be 32 AMU oxygen. Now when 4 AMU hydrogen will react with 32 AMU of oxygen, then what will happen? Water, oxygen 16, water 2, total 18 multiplied by 2 is equal to 36. Now 36 AMU of water will be produced, and this water is called product and this hydrogen and oxygen is called reactants. Now if we calculate the amount in moles from this balanced chemical equation, you may see here that 2 moles, ये coefficients इसके साथ कितने हैं? 2 moles of hydrogen will react with, इसके साथ कुछ भी नहीं है, 1 mole of oxygen, and in this way when 2 mole of hydrogen will react with 1 mole of oxygen, then 2 mole of water will be produced. Now if we calculate, do the stoichiometric calculation in case of grams, mass in grams, then we see that 4 gram hydrogen has atomic mass 1 and there are 4 hydrogen atoms. 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 4 gram of hydrogen will react with 32 gram of oxygen, then what will happen? 36 gram of water will be produced. Dear students, from these calculations one thing is clear, the coefficients, ये जो coefficients है, कौन से coefficients है? ये हमारे पास जो 2 है, it is coefficient, it is in the case of oxygen 1 coefficient, and in case of water this 2 is also called coefficients. Dear students, the coefficients in the balanced chemical equation give the ratio of moles of reactants and products in the balanced chemical equation. Now dear students, there is a short question, important short question as per board paper point of view, is that give the assumptions of stoichiometric calculations. There are 3 assumptions of stoichiometric calculations. Number 1, all the reactants are completely converted into products and the chemical equation should be balanced. This is assumption number 1. Now second assumption is that no side reaction will occur, and last one, the law of conservation of mass and law of definite proportion should be obeyed in stoichiometric calculations. These are the three important assumptions of stoichiometric calculations. Dear students, types of stoichiometry. Dear students, the following type of relationships can be studied with the help of balanced chemical equation. What are the relationships? Number one, mass-mass relationship. Number two, mass-mole relationship. And number three, mass-volume relationship. With the help of balanced chemical equation, we can calculate the following relationships. Dear students, thank you very much for watching my video. I have explained stoichiometric calculations and the assumptions of stoichiometric calculations in detail with the help of examples. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share my video with your friends. Thank you.